This is an official certificate from OpenAI with my name on it. It cost $0. It was issued this morning. And the link on this card is the reason this video exists. Yesterday, I showed you Anthropic's free AI school, and the top comment asked one question: does OpenAI have one too? So I went and tested it. Short answer: yes. It is free. I earned this certificate on camera in one sitting, and it comes with something Anthropic's school cannot match right now. A public link that anyone, a recruiter, your boss, your mom, can open and verify. No login. In the next 8 minutes, the whole campus, what the courses are actually like inside, the live certificate run, and the honest head-to-head with Anthropic's Academy. First, the campus. academy.openai.com. OpenAI's own school, courses, live events, and a content library, all free. The site's headline says it in 6 words: earn your OpenAI course completion certificates. You can open the catalog, the course pages, even the events calendar without an account. You sign in with a free account only when you want your progress to count, because that is what mints the certificate. Now, the honest surprise: where Anthropic's Academy is 22 courses deep, OpenAI's certificate track is exactly 3. AI Foundations, the flagship. About 70 minutes, and as of today, over 114,000 people enrolled. Applied AI Foundations, about 80 minutes, 38,000 people. And Agents and Workflows, about 90 minutes, 34,000. That is the entire certificate catalog. 3 courses, about 4 focused hours end to end. And every single one ends in a certificate. Small campus, fast credentials. Here is what surprised me inside, because I expected slideware, and this is not that. Every lesson is a card you work through. Short videos, real interactive gates, checkboxes, flip cards, matching quizzes, and prompt builders where you type your actual task and it assembles a ready-to-pass prompt around it. The course will not let you continue until you have actually touched the material. I know, because it made me click every single one. And the habits it teaches are genuinely good, even if you use this stuff daily. The prompt formula, task, context, expectation, what you want, what it should consider, and what good looks like. The review framework is called CLEAR: complete, logical, evidence, audience, relevant. 5 questions to ask before you trust any AI answer. When to hand it a file, when to make it search, when to save preferences. And a whole module on responsible use. 3 checks before you paste anything sensitive. This is the onboarding your workplace never gave you. So let's earn it. Live. 3 knowledge checks stand between you and the certificate. Match the scenario to the best next step. 5 pairs. First try, 5 out of 5. Second check, 5 for 5 again. Final check, responsible use. Clean sweep. Every module ends in confetti. And when the last one lands, one button appears. Complete course. I clicked it. And there it is, instantly. OpenAI Course Completion Certificate. My name. The course, issued by OpenAI Academy, issued today, with a certificate ID printed on the card. And on the course page, share buttons. LinkedIn, X, email, copy link. No hunting through menus. Finish. Click. It is on your profile. Now the part that made me sit up. Yesterday's video. The Anthropic badge. Beautiful credential. But open its link in a private window. And this is what you get. A sign-in wall. Track progress and earn badges with your Claude account. A recruiter clicking your badge hits a login page. Now, the OpenAI certificate link. Same private window. No account. The full certificate, my name, the course, the date, the ID, and it even prints the public URL on the card itself. That is the one thing Anthropic cannot match right now. Proof that travels. If this just put a free credential in reach, that is every video here. Subscribe free or hit join. Now the fine print. 3 things this certificate is not. It is not OpenAI's formal certification. That is a separate program with a proctored exam. And as of this week, it is still rolling out through employer pilots. It is not accreditation, no certificate from any AI company is, and it is not deep. 3 courses will not outteach Anthropic's 22. What it is: official, named, dated, verifiable by anyone, and free. On the one line of your resume that anyone can actually check, that is worth more than it sounds. And the campus is bigger than the certificate track. There is a live events calendar, real sessions with dates this week, chatgpt 101, a builder bootcamp on agents, even in person workshops, a content library of guides and resources, and dedicated wings for how you actually work. Small business, education, nonprofits, government, even newsrooms, all of it open, all of it free. So here is your move tonight. Screenshot this. 1. Free account at academy.openai.com. 2. AI Foundations. The site budget's about 70 minutes. I moved quickly and finished in one sitting. 3. The moment it completes, your certificate exists. Hit the LinkedIn button before you close the tab. Then this week, applied AI Foundations and Agents and Workflows. 3 certificates, about 4 focused hours, $0. The head-to-head verdict, honestly. Anthropic's Academy is the deeper school. 22 courses against 3. OpenAI's is the louder proof. The only one whose certificate link opens for anyone. They are both free, so this is not actually a choice. Do Anthropic's for the depth. Do OpenAI's for the proof. Both videos are linked below. Real talk. 90% of you watching haven't subscribed. On Facebook, subscribe is the supporter button. That is what keeps the lights on here. On YouTube, it's free and it tells the algorithm to send you more. And if you want to back this properly, hit join. If you want tonight's plan as a PDF, all 3 courses in order, the certificate steps, the verify your link trick, and the events calendar, comment the word certified, one word, and I will send it to you free. My 4 beginner guides are linked below if you want the complete playbooks. And I am on Instagram daily with builds like this one. See you in the next one.